Has your class ever made the teacher cry? In middle school science, I had a teacher who was always so kind. She was an older woman and she always made sure we had materials for her class, often at her own expense. I remember she went out and bought about 20 plastic pencil cases, filling them with pencils, rulers, erasers, everything we would need for the class. One day, some of the kids decided to throw a few of the pencil cases across the room, snapping some of the rulers, and generally breaking a lot of the things she had provided while she stepped out for 5 minutes to talk to another teacher. When she came back, she started crying, and I remember feeling so bad for her. She gave the class little pieces of candy afterward, apologizing for losing control and getting emotional. We were the ones who should have been apologizing. One morning, my class noticed that I wasn't myself, and one student asked me during recess if I was okay. Normally, I wouldn't share personal information, but I told my student that my grandma had passed away that morning. At the end of the day, before I dismissed the class, my students gathered and handed me a sympathy card with really sweet condolence messages from every student. I couldn't hold it in and started crying.